Hey, what's up guys? This is Justin from My Round Robin. Just to give you a quick tutorial on WordPress blog posting and logging into the back end of your WordPress websites and blog posting and scheduling it and making sure you're doing all the correct things to make your blog post SEO friendly. So you can see here on myroundrobin.com we have our blog, and one blog post in particular is this WordPress tutorial blog post, which right now has nothing in it because I'm going to change it. So what I do is I'm going to the back end of myroundrobin. I go to myroundrobin.com/wp-admin, and it'll bring me right here. You put in your username and password. Okay, and this is the back end of your WordPress website. From here, all your posts, your blog posts, will go in right here, and if you go to all posts, you'll see everything that we have right back here on our blog section, the word from the bird. Okay, so we'll go back here, and we're looking for the WordPress tutorial on backend and blog posting. So right now we have a video that's malfunctioning. We'll take that out. And what we're going to do is put in our content for our blog post. So if I go ahead and put in my content, you want to be very careful. If you're pasting from Word, you want to use this. I just pasted in simplistic text, so it didn't have anything else with it. If you paste from Word, just copy and paste from Word. Sometimes it will bring artifacts, little programming characters, which will come out weird on the internet. But anyways, from here, what you can do is, go over your content, and it's, a simple text editor up here. You can change the colors of your content. Something really important would be your headers. You want to do, this would be your main title. For this, it would be, creating a SEO friendly WordPress blog post. Okay, so that's pretty much one of the main headings of this blog post. We're going to go ahead and put that there, and then we're going to put this down here. We're going to put our, you of course should have a little bit more content than I do here, but we're going to put my round robin, and is going to be our header 2. That would be your subcategory. When you have a long, lengthy post, you want to almost categorize it to the point where you have one main title, your H2. It doesn't necessarily have to be filled with keywords. In fact, you don't want to over spam it. If I wanted this to rank up for SEO, I wouldn't want to put SEO in every sentence, maybe once or twice, depending on the length of your content and numerous things. Something that's very important in WordPress blogging and blogging in general is categorizing. You want to make sure that you have multiple categories to choose from. You can actually choose multiple categories, and the search engine will pick up these category results also. So we're just going to leave it as WordPress tutorials for now. And then tags are important too. I already have tutorial and WordPress tags in here. I'm going to add in an SEO tag, and then I'm going to add in a Yoast tag, because I'm going to talk about the Yoast Plugin, which I have installed in myroundrobin.com. It's just a simplistic plugin. It's got everything here, but they keep it very simple, and everything from analyzing your content as far as your focus keyword, doing page analysis. You can change social results, the descriptions that come up when you link to Facebook or Google+, some meta and sitemap configurations. Most of these are good at default. The majority are good at default. But if you want to go to yoast.com/WordPress/SEO, you can download it. and he has a million tutorials on here and really good examples of how to properly configure the plugin. Let's see here. Another important thing as far as blog posting in WordPress is you can publish it at certain dates. So right here, if I wanted to publish this tomorrow, let's say, I want to publish this May 28th, I could do that right here, or I could choose to do this, in December. So if you are going on vacation, but you want to upload a lot of content, you can do that, and this content will not actually come out until that scheduled date. So that's great. It's May 27th because that's originally when I published this. Um, okay, and from there, you've got your tags, you've got your category, you've scheduled it if you'd like to. So I'm just going to update it, or it'd say publish. And remember, this is what I had before, just an error. And then I'm going to refresh. And there we go. This is everything it's got the category, it's got the date, it's got this H1 tag I did, it's got some content, it's got an H2, and then it's got my tags down here too. Remember, I added the Yoast tag to it. And it's also very important, you want some kind of plugin, or you want to have your web developer add all sorts of plugins to share your content with all the social networks, your Facebook, your Delicious, your StumbleUpon, your Twitter. They're all very important, and so you can see we actually have them up here too, all the social networks. Okay, and you can see your post's all set. And if you go to plugins, I can show you the Yoast plugin is right here, this WordPress SEO plugin. If you just go to plugins, add new, you can go and search for, if you need the social media buttons, you can search for social media, and you have floating social media icons. That one's pretty cool. I like the social media widget. This one is great. I've used it on many sites. Um, and then if you want to search SEO, you'll see WordPress SEO by Yoast. This is the one that I'd recommend for you. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial about blog posting and making it SEO friendly in a WordPress blog. Hope you guys have a good day and take care.